Vatsani Bunkosi, imagine half of the country waiting for your guys' downfall. Whereas on the other side, you remain resilient and striving for the best. Hi, get your family. Welcome to all trending Mzansi. Vatsani Bunkosi, with the current event between Hungani Ndlovu and Stephanie Ndlovu divorcing, people have been speculating that another divorce that they see coming, it's between Dr. Musa and Lizel. Haibo sana isibindi sabantu. But when we look between what is happening phakathi kuka Lizel and Umusa, it looks like the couple, they are currently happy and enjoying their life without any issues. But Dr. Musa posted a very funny video on his TikTok page showcasing the pictures of his wife on their TV screen, stating that he misses her. Imagine. And then after doing that, the video went viral. This is because Lizel went away on a girls' trip. They are currently touring around the world, and Musa, he is perishing here in Mzansi because yena ufuna umuntu wakhe bethunana, whereas the wife is out there enjoying life to the fullest. Which makes me wonder ukuthi kahle kahle yibaphi laba abantu abalindele ukuthi kumele nabo badivorce because bethunana isibindi sabantu. These two, they look like they're happy and they look very much in love and they look like they're enjoying their life either way. But whether people are talking negative about them or whatever, bona bamile nje endabeni zabo zothando. This is indeed beautiful and nice to watch. That's it for today. But please do leave your comments down below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Catch you on my next one. Thank you for watching. Bye.